Have you ever wondered what the future holds for Internet Computer, also known as ICP? Today we dive into that very question. Internet Computer, or ICP, is not just another cryptocurrency token. It's the native token of the Internet Computer Network and carries with it a grand vision. A vision of revolutionizing the Internet itself. How, you might ask? By enabling decentralized computation. A concept that has the potential to alter the very fabric of our digital world. But the promise of ICP doesn't end there. It has also stepped into the limelight as a promising investment opportunity. With the cryptocurrency market's ever-present volatility, the allure of a new token, particularly one with such a transformative agenda, is hard to resist. However, as with any investment, it's important not to get swept up by the waves of hype. Yes, price predictions can be exciting, and yes, they can hint at the potential for significant returns. But it's crucial to look beyond the price tag. The true value of ICP lies in its technological underpinnings. It's built on a foundation of cutting-edge tech that's designed to make its grand vision a reality. It's not just about the token, it's about the whole network and the revolutionary capabilities it brings to the table. Equally important is the strength of the community backing ICP. A cryptocurrency is only as strong as its community, the developers, the investors, the users. A strong community can weather the storms of market fluctuations and regulatory changes. Speaking of which, the regulatory landscape is another key factor to consider. Navigating the complex waters of cryptocurrency regulations can be a challenge, but it's a vital part of the journey. So how does ICP fare when we take a closer look at its price analysis? Let's find out. ICP's value fluctuates, like any other cryptocurrency. To understand these shifts, we need to examine its resistance and support levels. Resistance and support levels are key concepts in the world of finance and trading, and they hold true for cryptocurrencies as well. In layman's terms, a resistance level is like a ceiling that a price struggles to break through, while a support level acts as a floor that a price struggles to drop below. These levels are identified based on historical price patterns and are used to predict future price movements. So, how does this apply to ICP? When we delve into its recent price movements, we can see these levels coming into play. For instance, if we notice that the ICP price has tried multiple times to surpass a certain point, but has failed each time, this point becomes a resistance level. On the flip side, if the price has dipped several times but always rebounds at a certain point, this point acts as a support level. In the world of cryptocurrency, these levels are not set in stone. They can shift and evolve based on market trends and investor sentiment. When the price of ICP manages to break through a resistance level, it often results in a significant price increase as investor confidence grows. Conversely, if the price drops below a support level, it can lead to a decrease as investor confidence wanes. Understanding these levels helps us get a sense of the market sentiment surrounding ICP. It allows us to predict potential price movements and make informed investment decisions. However, resistance and support levels are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to analyzing cryptocurrency price fluctuations. While these levels give us an idea of the current market sentiment, technical indicators allow us to delve deeper. One such technical indicator is the Bollinger Bands, which provide valuable insights into market dynamics. So, what exactly are these Bollinger Bands? In simple terms, they are a volatility indicator that creates a band of 3 lines around a cryptocurrency's price. The middle line is a simple moving average, while the 2 outer lines are standard deviations away from this average. When the volatility is high, the bands widen, and when the volatility is low, the bands contract. This banding provides a relative definition of high and low prices. When the price of a cryptocurrency like ICP touches the upper band, it could be seen as overbought, and when it touches the lower band, it could be seen as oversold. So let's take a look at how the Bollinger Bands of ICP have moved recently. Over the past few weeks, we've seen that the bands have been widening, suggesting an increase in volatility. This high volatility could be due to a variety of factors, including market news or changes in investor sentiment. But it's not just about the width of the bands. The price levels also matter. For instance, if the ICP's price is continually touching or crossing the upper band, it suggests that the market is in a strong upward trend. On the other hand, if the price is touching or crossing the lower band frequently, it might indicate a strong downward trend. However, it's crucial to remember that Bollinger Bands are just one tool in the toolbox of a savvy investor. They provide a snapshot of the market's volatility and price levels. but they don't give us the full story. For example, they don't tell us if the current trend is likely to continue or reverse. But Bollinger Bands alone don't paint the whole picture. Another crucial indicator to consider is the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. This tool can help us understand whether the market is currently overbought or oversold, providing valuable context to the information we gain from the Bollinger Bands. But that's a topic for another scene. RSI is another key tool that helps investors navigate the volatile cryptocurrency market. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. It provides an indication of overbought or oversold conditions, giving investors a potential signal for a price reversal. So, how does it work? RSI oscillates between 0 and 100. Traditionally, an RSI value of 70 or above suggests that a cryptocurrency like ICP is being overbought. This could mean the market is showing signs of a potential price decrease. On the flip side, an RSI value of 30 or below indicates that the market may be oversold, suggesting a possible price increase on the horizon. Let's apply this to ICP's recent movements. Over the past few weeks, ICP's RSI has fluctuated between these critical levels. For instance, when ICP's RSI crossed above the 70 mark, it was closely followed by a price correction, indicating the market was indeed overbought. Similarly, when the RSI dipped below 30, it signaled that the market was oversold, and a price bounce back was witnessed shortly after. These RSI movements provide key insights into the market's momentum. When the RSI is rising, it indicates that the bullish momentum is getting stronger. Conversely, a falling RSI reveals that the bearish momentum is building up. By understanding these signals, investors can anticipate potential price reversals and make more informed decisions. But remember, RSI is just one tool in the arsenal. It works best when used in conjunction with other indicators and should not be the sole basis for any investment decision. Now that we've dissected ICP's price using Bollinger Bands and RSI, it's time to bring it all together. Through our detailed analysis, we've gained a more thorough understanding of ICP's recent performance. It's clear that the Internet Computer Token, or ICP, has demonstrated notable fluctuations in its value. By observing its resistance and support levels, we've been able to gain a solid grasp of its market dynamics. Now, the Bollinger Bands have been a key player in this analysis, providing a visual representation of ICP's volatility and price levels. They've shown us the potential direction of ICP's price movements, helping us predict potential buying or selling opportunities. Moreover, the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, has been instrumental in gauging the speed and change of these price movements. It's given us an insight into whether ICP is being overbought or oversold, adding another layer to our understanding of its market behavior. These findings could potentially indicate a volatile yet promising future for ICP. There's no denying that the crypto world can be unpredictable, but armed with these insights and technical analysis tools, we can navigate these choppy waters with a bit more confidence. While the world of cryptocurrencies is unpredictable, technical analysis provides us with tools to make more informed decisions. Keep these insights in mind as you consider the future of Internet Computer.